pbskidsgo.org.
The following message is transmitted at the request of several local Alabama emergency management agencies. Icy road conditions have developed across much of north central Alabama. Over the past hour, many roads have become extremely treacherous, and driving conditions are becoming dangerous. Numerous accidents have been reported at this time across a large area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Only travel on area roadways if absolutely necessary, or if there is an emergency. If you have to drive, use extreme caution as this is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. As the evening and overnight hours continue, additional roadways will ice over for all of the counties across central Alabama.